Gary B's up first again. What do you got?
Well, I tell you what, Brenda, as one result of these high oil prices, not only is mass transit spiking, but people are walking more downtown, all over the place. And the big beneficiary of that is Timberland. TBL, make all those great walking shoes and stuff. I happen to love the chart. I think this is a stock going much higher, up 30% or so.
Tobin, you got your Timberlands on?
You know, the only problem with that thesis is nobody's buying their shoes. They're walking a lot, but they're keeping their own shoes. Retail is soft. This is getting softer. Don't buy it. Sorry.
All right, and your prediction?
Well, I think we're going to have one of these massive short squeeze bounces here in the next 5 to 7 days. And what's going to go up? All the stuff that's gone down the most, right? So let these financials come up, and then you can buy the SKF, which is essentially shorting them. It's a way to get 2 times their fall, because they're going to fall right back on their face when they come out, as they're going to do in the next 3-4 weeks, and admit to 50% more write-offs than they said we had even last week.
Okay, Gary B., what do you think of his prediction?
So he's waiting for it to go up, what, 30% and then drop 30%, so we'll be right back? Well, I guess
it'll go up 10% and it's going to drop 25%. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
I think you're wrong about that.
All right. Well, you know,
leave it at that.
Matt, your prediction, please.
I'm actually drinking Gary's Kool-Aid. I'm going with the financials. He's finally convinced me to go with it. You know,
I think you're smoking the Peruvian, pal. That's what I think you're doing.
I like J.P. Morgan here. I think when Goldman Sachs came out this week and put Citigroup on their conviction to sell list, they called the bottom of the financials. So I like J.P. Morgan here, about 25% at the end of the year.
Pat, do you like it?
I like it a lot. Diamond's really maneuvered this company well, kept a very strong balance sheet, and they are definitely going to be a survivor. They'll have the capital to lend when we get through this, while others won't.
But, Peter, yes or no, do you like it?
Me? I don't like any financial, so no.
Okay. All right. And, Pat, your prediction?
Legacy Reserves LP. This is an MLP, Master Limited Partnership, trades like a stock, that owns sort of slow, mature oil fields down in Texas. Very good operators. Officers own a lot of the shares. Yields about 8%. And we think it's pretty undervalued right here because people simply aren't pricing their hedges properly. So you're getting about an 8% yield, and we think probably 40 to 50% upside
like
on the stock.
Well, listen, I love oil, I love gas. I mean, I think that we are pricing these hedges reasonably. I don't see it moving 50%, 10 or 20, but I don't think it's a home run that
Okay, and Peter, your prediction. What do you like?
Well, this week, Bernanke said the economy was going to improve and inflation was going to moderate. He's wrong on both counts. The economy is going to get a lot worse. Inflation is going to get worse. And you got to get out of the dollar. It's going to fall at least another 10%.
Asian currency.
The Merck Asian Currency Fund. The Asian currencies are the best value. Some of these currencies now are pegged to the dollar. They're going to drop their peg.
Peter, this is the part of the show where we give a prediction, okay?
Okay.
It's an Armageddon play. If you think, you know.